Hi everyone. Today I will run you through some problems with regards to pesticide formulation. Yung mga pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So I have here ten questions and I will run you through the process or the logic on how to answer this kind of questions kapag na-encounter nyo siya sa inyong assessment, whether that be quiz, exam, or sa mga nagpe-prepare ng board exam. So let's start off with question number 1. Sabi dito, if insecticide X contains the active ingredient imidacloprid at 300 grams per liter of the formulated product, what percentage of the product is its active ingredient? Okay. So we are looking at the percentage of the active ingredient. Now, when you say active ingredient, guys, pag sinabi nating active ingredient, we are just pertaining doon sa proportion ng mixture sa insecticide na yung mismong chemical or concentrated yung chemical. Kumbaga, kasi ang insecticide naman, halo yan eh. Meron yung portion na yung mismong chemical, and then may portion yan na mixture. Like for example, water, hinaluan ng tubig, and any other form of extenders. So, kumbaga, ang insecticide nyo, isipin nyo na lang, every time na magtitimpla ka ng juice drink na napakatamis, let's say, yung juice drink na napakatamis, hindi mo siya pwedeng inumin na puro or pure juice drink. Kailangan mo siyang ihalo sa tubig. So, yung juice drink, yun na ngayon yung active ingredient mo. Kapag hinalo mo siya sa tubig, magbabago na yung proportion ng active ingredient to the mixture itself. Right? So, dito mapapansin natin na to compute for the active ingredient, simply, ang gagawin mo lang, ilang percent ba yung mismong chemical doon sa mixture. And as we can see, we have what? 300 grams. So we have 300 grams na active ingredient sa isang litrong chemical. So simply, ang gagawin mo lang to compute this, 300 grams, 300 grams, and i-divide mo lang itong 300 grams na to the conversion rate of liters papuntang ml. So, ilang ml ba ang meron sa isang litro? We have, of course, we have 1,000 ml. So, 300 grams divided by 1,000 ml times 100, you will now get the percentage concentration. And in our case, that would be 300 grams over 1,000 ml is 0.3 times 100. 0.3 times 100. Then that will now be 30%. So ito na ngayon ang sagot sa katanungan na to. Ano yung percentage ng active ingredient sa 300 grams per liter na formulated product? The answer is 30%. Next question. Somehow related to this, I suppose. A carbamate insecticide, effective against thrips, has 500 grams methiocarb per kilogram formulated product. What is the concentration in percent of the formulated product? So same logic as similar logic to number 1. Gaano daw karami yung ating active concentration in this case? It is 500 grams. 500 grams in how many? In how much volume or in how much weight of mixture? In kilos. In 1 kilo, 500 grams daw yung methiocarb. na active ingredient. So simply, we just get that 500 grams and i-divide natin siya sa 1 kilo. But we need to convert 1 kilo to grams. And how many grams are there in 1 kilo? We have 1,000 grams. So 500 grams divided by 1,000 grams times 100. Yan na ngayon yung formula to get the percentage concentration again. So 500 grams divided by 1,000, that's 0.5 grams. Multiplied now by 100, and you will get 50%. Yan na ngayon yung tamang sagot. If you have a 500 gram methiocarb per kilogram of formulated product, the active concentration percentage is 50%. Next, ito medyo tricky, but it can be solved by mere logic and sometimes common sense, no? At the application rate of 33.3 kilograms Furadan, 3G per hectare. So ito yung pangalan ng chemical, by the way, Furadan 3G. How much would be applied per plant if there were 75,000 plants in 15,000 meters squared farm? So ano daw yung application rate? Sa isang hektarya, sinasabi dito, ang application rate, sa isang hektarya, kailangan mo daw mag-apply ng 33.3 kilogram of your Furadan 3G. Yan yung application rate. Ngayon, ang tinatanong, gaano karami yung i-apply mo sa 15,000 square meters? Now, to convert 15,000 square meters to hectare, gaano karami yan? So, 15,000, i-divide mo lang yan by how much? 10,000. So, ang 15,000 meters squared farm is equivalent to 1.5 hectare. Okay? So, kung ang 1 hectare is equivalent to 33.3 kilograms of that fertilizer, of that chemical, I mean, gaano naman karami kapag 1.5 hectares na yung a-applyan mo? Yun yung una nating isosolve. So, 1.5 hectares, imumultiply mo lang yan sa application rate na 33.3 kilos. And you get 1.5 hectare multiplied by 33.33. Let's see. Lalabas ko lang yung aking calculator. 1.5 multiplied by 33.3. The answer is 49.95 kilos. 49.95 kilos. So, ito na ngayon, yung total chemical that you will apply. So, 49.95 kilos, that's the total chemical that you will apply in a 1.5 hectare field or in a 15,000 square meter farm. Ngayon, ang tinatanong specifically is, kung may halaman ka na 75,000 plant population, so yung halaman mo has may 75,000 plant population, so ito ay plant pop. Gaano karaming chemical? Gaano karaming chemical per plant pop? Gaano karaming chemical per plant pop yung ilalagay mo? So, kada isang halaman, gaano karaming chemical yung marireceive niya? Yun yung tinatanong. So, how are we going to do that? Simply, kung ito yung amount of chemical na ilalagay mo sa farm mo, i-divide mo lang yan by 75,000. 75,000. So, ano kayang magiging sagot niyan? 49.95 kilos. In kilos yan, ha? 49.95 kilos divided by 75,000. you now get 0.00067 kilos. Okay, by the way, that's kilos. So medyo maraming zero, kaya mahirap siya i-visualize. I-try natin i-convert into grams. So 0.0067 multiplied by 1,000 para ma-convert siya into grams. You now get 0.67 grams. So anong sinasabi dito? Sa bawat isang halaman, kapag ang plant population mo ay 75,000, ang bawat isang halaman ay makaka-receive ng 0.67 grams of that particular pesticide. Okay? So medyo mahaba yung process on how to solve it, but it's logical. First, anong ginawa natin? Kinonvert natin kung ilan yung application rate na makukuha natin, na gagamitin natin if we are to apply it to a 1.5 hectare field. Nakuha natin, it's 49.95 kilos. And itong 49.95 kilos, dinivide natin sa plant pop para makita natin kung gaano karami yung chemical na marireceive ng bawat isang halaman. And the answer is 0.67 grams. Next question. How much of Confidor SL 100 is needed to prepare a 2,500 liters of spray solution if the dilution rate is 25 milliliters per 100 liter of water? Okay? So, ang pangalan ng insecticide mo or pesticide mo dito is Confidor SL100. And kailangan mo daw mag-prepare ng 2,500 liters of spray solution. So, let's say mayroon kang drum dyan. Itong drum daw na to, ang capacity niya, 2,500 liters. Right? So, kailangan mo daw punuin itong drum na to with a spray solution. So, dapat may halo dyan na chemical and may halo dyan na tubig. Ngayon, ano yung dilution rate or yung combination ng chemical sa tubig? That is this one. So, sa bawat 100 liters, kailangan mo daw maglagay ng 25 ml na Confidor. Yun yung sinasabi niya. So, para mabuo mo itong 2,500 liters na drum mo with Confidor, gaano karaming Confidor yung ilalagay mo here? So, parang we're looking at the ratio and proportion of the chemical to the water. So, how are you going to do that? First, you get your goal of you get your goal of 2,500 liters of spray solution. So, ang goal mo, makagawa ng 2,500 liters of solution, right? And i-divide mo ngayon yan doon sa 100 liters of water. I-divide mo siya sa 100 liters of water. So, you will now get 2,500 divided by 100. So, you get 25. So, ibig sabihin, mayroong 25 100 liters sa 2,500 liters. So, ano sabi doon sa mixture rate supposedly, doon sa dilution rate natin? Sa bawat isang 100 liters, kailangan mo magligay ng 25 ml na Confidor. So, kung meron kang 25 na 100 liters, imumultiply mo lang yan sa 25 ml. So, you multiply this with 25 ml. So, sa bawat 100 liters, alam natin na mayroong 25 100 liters sa ating 25 liters na spray solution. So, sa bawat 100 liter, maglalagay ka ng 25 milliliters of Confidor. So, 25 times 25 would now be 25 times 25. That would be 625 milliliters. Milliliters of Confidor ang idadagdag mo. So kapag may tubig ka na 2,500 liters of spray solution, kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng 625 milliliters of Confidor if the dilution rate is 25 ml per 100 liter. Next question. At the seedling stage of the rice plant, insecticide M should be applied at 19 liters spray loads per hectare. How many liters of spray solution have to be prepared for a 1.25 hectare rice farm at seedling stage? So ano yung recommended application rate ulit ng insecticide mo? Ang recommended application rate niya is 19 liters per hectare. So sa bawat isang hektarya, kailangan mo daw mag-apply ng 19 liters. So, paano kapag 1.25 yung hektarya? So simply, kukunin mo lang yung 19 liters, i-multiply mo lang siya sa 1.25 hectares. And you will get how much? 19 times 1.25, that is 23.75. 23.75 liters. Okay, so that is how you answer this question naman. Simply, you just multiply the hectares to the application rate. Okay? 19 liters per hectare yung application rate, edi kung 1.25 yan, multiply mo lang, then you get 23.75 liters. Next, a carbamate insecticide effective against thrips is 500 methiocarb per kilogram formulated product. What is the concentration in percent of the formulated product? Now this one, naulit ito. Anyways, to solve the problem again, that would be 500 grams. Yan yung active ingredient niya. I-divide lang natin sa isang kilo, but in terms of grams, so that's 1,000 grams. And you will now get 0.5 times 100, and the answer would be 50%. Naulit pala tong tanong na to. Anyway, so 9 lang pala yung unique questions ko. Next one. If 150 liters of the spray solution should be prepared, how many kilograms of the formulated product are needed with the recommendation that it has to be applied at 5 tablespoons per 16 liters of water? And meron ditong assumption, ang isang tablespoon daw is equivalent to 15 grams. So kapag gagawa ka ng 150 liters of spray solution, gaano kaya karaming chemical yung ilalagay mo? Gaano karaming pesticide in terms of grams? So yun yung tinatanong sa item na to. So kailangan una na kailangan nating malaman, since ang application rate is 5 tablespoon per 16 liters, so yan yung application rate mo, kailangan mong malaman sa 150 liters, gaano karami yung 16 liters doon. So sa 150 liters mo, gaano karami dyan, ilang 16 liters ang mayroon sa iyong 150 liters. That's one way of thinking about it. So how do you do that? 150 liters, i-divide mo lang siya sa 16 liters. And you will get 150 divided by 16. That's 9.375. 9.375. So, nung sinasabi dito, sa 150 liters, mayroon tayong 9.375 na 16 liters. Now, ano yung application rate? Sa bawat isang 16 liter, kailangan mo daw maglagay ng 5 tablespoon. Right? So, yung 9.375, imumultiply mo na ngayon yan sa 5 tablespoon to get the application rate for your 150 liters of spray solution. So that's 9.375 multiplied by 5 TBSP. So that is tablespoon. And the answer here is 46.875 tablespoon. But you have to remember, guys, ang hinahanap natin dito is ilang kilo. So, kailangan nating i-convert yung tablespoon to kilos. And how are we going to do that? We convert this first to grams. So, sabi dito, ang isang tablespoon ay may 15 grams. So, yung 46.875 tablespoon mo, i-multiply mo muna siya sa 15 grams. And you will get 46.875 multiplied by 15 grams. That's 703.125. 703.125 grams. But then, ang tinatanong is how many kilos? So, 703.125 grams. I-divide mo yan ngayon sa 1,000 para makuha kung ilang kilos. So, 703.125 divided by 1,000, that is 0.70 kilos. So, ito na ngayon yung ating sagot. Kapag gagawa ka ng spray solution na 150 liters, yung tubig na laman, kailangan mong maglagay ng 0.70 kilos kapag ang application rate is 5 tablespoon per 16 liters of water. Next, how much water is needed naman? So, yung tubig naman ang kailangan nating isolve. Gaano karaming tubig ang ilalagay mo in the preparation of a slurry for 4.5 tons of seeds if the dilution rate is 12.5 ml of insecticide ST per 10 ml of water per kilogram of seeds. Gaano karaming tubig yung ihahalo mo sa iyong insecticide ST? Kapag ang dilution rate is 10 ml of water per kilogram of seeds. So, first and foremost, kailangan mong ilagay dito, sorry. Ang tinatanong pala dito is, gaano karaming tubig yung ilalagay mo kapag ang dilution rate ng insecticide is 12.5 ml per 10 ml of water per kilogram of seeds. So, medyo tatlo yung variables na ating kino-compare dito. So, the first thing that we needed to do, since per kilogram of seeds yung nabanggit dito sa ating problem, let's convert yung 4.5 tons of seeds to kilogram first. So, ang 4.5 tons of seeds to kilogram, ang simply gagawin mo, 4.5 tons, imumultiply mo lang yan sa 1,000 kilos. Why? Because there are 1,000 kilos in 1 ton. So, ang 4.5 tons, kapag meron niyang iminultiply mo yan sa 1,000, ang lalabas is you have 4,500 kilos. Now, the next step is you get this 4,500 kilos and imumultiply mo na ngayon simply sa 10 ml of water. Kasi we have to understand, nasabi dito, sa bawat isang kilo, kailangan mo daw maglagay ng 10 ml of water. Yun yung dilution rate na inintroduce sa atin. So, 4,500 times 10 ml, 4,500 times 10 ml, you now get 45,000 ml. Okay? So, ito na ngayon yung sagot, basically. Kasi ang tinatanong lang naman, gaano karaming tubig? So, kapag 4,500 kilos yan, gaano karaming tubig? 45,000 ml. 45,000 ml or 45 liters. Now, gaano naman karaming insecticide yung ilalagay mo sa iyong 45 liters? So, para lang masagot natin yon. Gaano karaming insecticide yung ilalagay mo naman doon sa iyong 4,500 liters? Okay? Now, ano ulit yung dilution rate? Sa 45, sa bawat 10 ml of water, ang ilalagay mo is 12.5 ml of insecticide ST. So, you get 12.5 ml multiplied now, 12.5 ml multiplied by 45,000. 45,000. Sorry. Wrong. So, kukunin mo yung 25 ml, i-multiply mo sa 4,500 kilos. 12.5 ml multiplied by 4,500 kilos. 12.5 multiplied by 4,500. So you get 56,250 ml. Okay? So para mabuo yung formulation na iyong ginagamit sa 4.5 tons of seeds, you need to put 45 liters or 45,000 ml of water. And then, in terms of insecticide, kailangan mong maglagay ng 56,250 ml. 56,250 ml of insecticide ST or 56.25 liters. So that is how you solve naman yung component ng insecticide na ilalagay mo to dilute or to prepare a slurry for 4.5 tons of seeds. Next. Confidor SL 100 costs 750 per 250 ml bottle. How much does a mango farmer have to pay for 2.25 liters of Confidor SL 100? So we are computing here for the cost. So sa bawat 250 ml na botelya, ang cost daw niyan ay 750 pesos. So, gaano naman karami kapag 2.25 liters yan? 2.25 liters. So, gaano kalaki ang gastos kapag ang gustong bilhin ni farmer ay hindi 250 ml but rather 2.25 liters. So, syempre, i-convert mo muna ilang ml ba ang meron sa 2.25 liters. So, you just multiply that by 1,000. 2.25 liters multiplied by 1,000. So that's 2,250 ml. 2,250 ml. Now, alam natin, sabi natin dito, ang 250 ml, 750 pesos. Ilang 250 ml ang meron sa 2,250 ml? So, i-divide natin yan sa 250 ml para makuha kung ilang 250 ml ang mayroon sa 2,250 ml. divided by 250. So you've got 9. So parang lumalabas, 9 bottles of 250 ml bottle sa bawat 2,250 ml na gustong bilhin ni farmer. So kung 9 bottles yan, simply 9, imumultiply mo lang siya sa 750. And ang sagot ay 6,750 pesos. So yan yung gastos ni farmer sa iyong 2.25 liters of Confidor if the cost of a 250 ml bottle is 750 pesos. Lastly, what is the rate of application in amount of formulated product per hectare if the recommended dosage is 3 tablespoons per 16 liters of water with a spray volume of 150 liters per hectare? So we're looking at gaano karami na naman, gaano karami nung ating produkto yung ilalagay natin doon sa ating spray solution or spray volume kung ang recommended na application rate is 150 liters per hectare. Okay? So ito yung recommendation rate, 150 liters per hectare. And ang mixture rate is sa bawat 16 liters of water, kailangan mong maglagay ng 3 tablespoon of your chemical. So first, kukunin mo muna yung 150 liters per hectare and i-divide mo yan doon sa 16 liters of water. Okay? So we're basically looking at ilang 16 liters of water, ilang 16 liters ang meron sa 150 liters natin. So that's 150 divided by 16. You now get 9.375. 9.375. So 9.375, imumultiply mo na ngayon yan sa ilan daw? Ilan kada isang 16 liters? 3 tablespoon. So 9.375 multiplied by 3 TBSP. And the answer would be 9.375 multiplied by 3 tablespoon. Ang sagot dyan is 28.125 tablespoon. Now, this one is still in tablespoon. Remember, meron ulit tayong assumption dito. Ang isang tablespoon ay 15 grams. So, imumultiply natin yan sa 15 grams. And you will get 421.88 grams. So sa 150 liters of spray volume per hectare, kailangan mong maglagay ng 421.88 grams of your recommended pesticide. Okay, so I hope you've learned something new for today. If you needed more practice, I suggest habang dinidiscuss ko, I suggest balikan nyo yung video, balikan nyo yung mga items na na-discuss ko. And bago ko simulan siyang isolve nyo muna on your own and let's see kung magtutugma yung parehas nating solution. If you have any question, please don't hesitate, to comment. I usually reply 100% of the time. And if you wanted more of these videos, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be informed and updated kapag may mga bago tayong videos na ganito. Thank you so much everyone and have a great day.